Just put these on. It's Tuesday, and I have got my new pair of glasses. My first pair of glasses, actually. Who would have thought, right? And man, the rains are finally coming down. I couldn't be any happier. It's not as much as it used to be last week. Yeah, that's one thing. And I noticed that I always think of doing an intro, but I keep forgetting. My name is Uday, and I'm 22. I like to talk about random stuff, about bikes, just my own personal stuff sometimes, not too personal. And I'm just here fulfilling my 14-year-old self's dreams, to say it the least. The guy who used to tape his phone to the helmet and record it on his TVS XL heavy duty is now on his own bike doing stuff he always wanted. Why not keep you guys be a part of the journey? You will see me fulfill my dreams of my 14-year-old self, and you will also see a later version of me fulfilling my current version's dreams. Let's keep chasing, let's keep rolling. That's a nice intro, actually. Oh man, these classes are a pain in the ass. I'm just getting used to it. Surprise, surprise, my power on the right side turned out to be about 4.5 negative, which is humongous. I'm having really hard time to look at the roads with these glasses on, but I'm putting it on just so that I can get used to it. Oh god, it's like I'm looking at two different versions of the whatever that's in front of me. Oh god, it's hard to see. Challenging, but that's what we like. We like challenges. Today I just want to talk about phone mounts and why I haven't installed any so far. Uh, Geez, it's so hard. It's so hard to look at. Just gonna cruise, man. I'm just gonna cruise. Yeah. So it's been a year of me having this bike, more than a year now, but I never installed any phone mounts. Whichever ride I have been to, the max being the 500 kilometer, 600 kilometer ride, I never choose to rely on a phone mount because A, it sucks, and B, I have slight OCD, which I prefer it being in the center. And given there are options, but compatibility is none with this bike, I choose to rather not have any mount at all than to have any random mount to the side of the handlebar, clip on, whatever. Uh, but then I on the search of the perfect mount, uh, I came across this one guy called Ankith. His Instagram, I will be showing the Instagram probably around somewhere here on the display. Oh, that's a beautiful bike. He's on a ride. Oh, lovely. So I instantly, desperately dropped a message into one of his videos asking for how he did it, how he put on a quad lock into it.
Please, 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 please.
I was ready. I was ready to invest all my money into a 10,000 rupee phone mount just to get that look. Uh, and the money I'm spending is not just for the look, but function being the the quad locks, vibration dampener, everything will be along with it, and I will have no vibrations, and my phone's cameras will be quite in a. I'm not putting my cameras in risk. My phone's cameras, I mean. So that was the goal. So I was invested in the idea. I was texting him in the comments, and he's been very kind enough to reach out to me and say that he will DM me the details and everything, the setup, whatever you need to do, the steps, who will do it, how will they do it, how much they'll charge for it, everything, you name it. So it's also very very cheap if you just calculate it, and for the things you're getting. And I was ready to get it. I added my I added all the quad lock accessories into the cart. They were ready to be booked. But on the same day, like they say, the financial advice, the good financial advice that came handy to me on that day was to wait for 24 hours before you spend anything significant in general or in general. And I was waiting for, I was just chilling. And then my mom said, I found your old phone, the iPhone 7, which I used to use for quite a long time back in college. So the only purpose it can serve me was GPS, Google Maps, or radar, or anything in general. And that was the very first thing that struck to my mind, and there we have it. Uh, I cancelled the order of quad locks. I'm so sorry, Ankith, for taking so much time of yours to know every single detail about it, and but then at the end having to cancel that. It sucks, but I decided that I will still go for a mount, but not a quad lock, not something worth that much money. I'll just go for a cheap one. I'll see if I can place something on the center. If I can, I definitely will. You know me. And yes, uh, please do check out Ankith's Instagram. He has amazing ride POVs, amazing content in general. His bike is one of the most beautiful bikes I've ever seen. Tastefully modified. Uh, oh shit. Yep, tastefully modified. Lovely machine. He rides it like rips it open like anything. Also, very nice guy in general. So do follow him. Uh, much appreciated. As per mounts, yeah, I'll just finish the topic as well. As per mounts, I might as well just go for a cheaper mount. I have an alternative for quad lock that can give me a center. What is it called? Yeah, placement. Took me 3 gears to remember. So yeah, it's not a quad lock, it's not any magnetic mount, but it will give it's just traditional mount, but it will give me a center placement. I'll just show you in a while. It will take some time. I will take some time to do that, but I will definitely keep you posted on that. Yep, you guys know what area it is. Oh god, it's kind of scary as well. No reason to be scared too, but uh, I don't know. Haven't seen that side of the world. Yeah, I think I'm getting used to my uh, glasses. I'm getting used to them. Yep, but it's hard to judge the distance. I'm still gonna take some time to judge the distance, so I'm gonna do a lot of early braking. Oh no, 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 I shouldn't have come here. I shouldn't have come here. Uh, Probably take the turn. No, no.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
there's Ganesh Nimajaram happening. I can't stay in that traffic for so long, man. I can't stay in that traffic for so long. It took me 15 minutes extra to just to get through that part of the road. I'm just gonna take the long way. I don't care. I just don't want to be stuck in the crowd. Oh, oh, I'm so sorry. I think I believe there must be a lot of wind noise on this video. I haven't shut my visor down. So yeah, that's a little about the phone mounts and what I prefer using. Still want something for cheap, and you still want something for that looks like a quad lock and acts like a quad lock. Even with the vibration dampener, there are cheap alternatives to GoPro. What am I saying? Quad lock. So you can absolutely go for it. Under 2000, by the way. Both the vibration dampener and the mount itself. Uh, they'll cost you less than 2000 rupees, I believe. 2000 or just under 2000. So yeah, if you want that, you can absolutely go for it, but a little bit the side to your handlebar clip-on you have to do some extra adjustments, because you have to get, for these type of clip-ons it won't fit in, obviously. So you have, if you have older BS4 GTs, you can just remove this and get that fixed, but for these it's not the case. So you have to do extra stuff like mounts that you get, mirror mounts, mirror extension mounts that you get for like 200 bucks, and then you fit those phone mounts. So yeah, that's an extra thing you need to do if you have a BS4 Continentals. Interceptors, you don't need anything. It's just plain handlebar, so it just fits right in. You might need a spacers, obviously it will be provided, but yeah. Getting used to my new glasses. Hopefully no one crashes into me, or I don't crash into them. It's empty fucking road. It's nice. Wish I had an exhaust.
Coward. We have a new world to conquer. You make me sick. Leave me alone.
Again, U-turns have become hard thing to do, because judging the people coming from afar and judging the distance, I don't know, man. It's just complicated. How do I explain it? Can't even explain it properly. My right eye has a different, or like on a different level of sight, and my left eye is perfectly fine. So it's like, call me Mahoraga, the way my body adapts and the way I adapt to everything. So since childhood, my body has just adapted to using a single eye for everything, and I've had this sight for, as it turns out, for so long. And now that I have a vision, perfect vision with both the eyes, it's become a kind of a complicated thing. I'm sure it'll be of great help. I had to get it done, man. The past 2 years of work experience have ruined me. I guess I don't have anything else to say. I hope you guys have been doing well. And lastly, yes, I'm glad I remembered before the video ends. Boy, oh boy, the last videos response is insane. How? The video was so trash. I did it very last minute, everything, but the quality was so bad. I would say, I don't know how it made it to 600 plus views in less than 2 days. 2 days. I don't know how. I genuinely don't know how. Thank you so much for everyone who's watching that video or my videos in general. Thank you so much. Every single day, I'm very thankful for you. There we go. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos every time, man. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Ride safe. Yep, there we go. Panoti. I just said ride safe and this happens.